Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to schedule mail in Gmail, and now let's dive right in. Now to schedule mail in Gmail app, first open up a Gmail. And when you open your Gmail, guys, you'll be on this interface, and at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there's a compose button available for us. Tap on the compose button at the bottom right corner of the screen. And over here, this kind of interface will open. So first enter your credentials to whom you want to send the email, and after that type in your subject, whichever may it be, and compose that email. And after composing that email, I'll be just typing in the demo mail. On this interface, after typing your mail, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there's a three-dotted icon over here, just beside the send icon over here. Tap on the three-dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen, and over here at the top of the list, you can see there is the schedule send button available for us. Tap on the schedule send button at the top, and you can see, guys, here it says three of the times are given for us. There it says tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, September 6, 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. and Monday morning at September 9, 8 a.m. So either you can choose from those or tap on the fourth option where it says pick time and date. Depending upon your choice, you will be able to choose the time on the time you want to send that email, and after that tap on the time of your choice. And with that being done, tap on OK and tap on the schedule send button over here, and then that mail will be sent later on with your schedule. And with that being said, guys, this is how to schedule mail in Gmail. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.